we're gonna bend it, shoulder to the lower leg, just like you had it. Good. Please take a big breath in. Good, perfect. Awesome, very good.
Mercy.
Bottom leg is straight, top leg is flat. Massage a little bit closer. Perfect. Take a nice big breath in. And do that. Yep, all right, good. On your back, for me, please. Do a lumbar, you come back, it's gonna pull on your leg, okay? I'm gonna take your heel and just hold on. Alright, Joe, I'd like you to sit up, move around, let me know how you feel, okay?
Okay.